Now this is a nice winter car with a F1 car on the wall. Nice. And also M5 competition xDrive. This is a nice winter place. Preferably alpine white. I don't know if it actually is the name of the color. Could it be brilliant white? Anyway, kind of like this car on the wall there. Not your usual winter car. The grill is quite huge. I like it though. It's gonna be fun to drive this tomorrow. Play with on the snow. So the scenery is spectacular. The lake is large. I mean, in theory you would be able to hit like 250 on this lake. Maybe 305 with the top speed limiter. i3, and is it X4? Pretty sure. So it's going to be a fun day tomorrow.